1974 Land Rover Series 3 four-wheel drive station wagon. It's been beautifully done. High quality work on this four-wheel drive machine. It is a wonderful truck. Everything just looks great. Aluminum body, galvanized steel frame. We gotta look at this frame here. It is awesome. Look at that thing. Wow. And high quality throughout. Runs really nice. This is a great truck. Okay, we're gonna start the Land Rover and get on our way. So we've got horn. We have wipers. And we have turn signals. Well, I guess there's no inside indicator. First gear. Here we go. Full synchro box. Nice and easy to drive. The interior on this Land Rover, it is spectacular. Just a beautiful Land Rover. We've got tracker seats, very nice. Proper floor mats and rubber coatings for the floor, or rubber covers, I guess. Galvanized aluminum windows. Look at this. It is just awesome inside here. Very clean engine bay. Land Rover 4-cylinder, 2 1/4 liter. And very nice. Underside of the hood's clean. Got some labels, emissions label, excellent. Let's have one more walk around of the 74 Land Rover. Beautifully restored. Here's the British Motor Industry Heritage Trust. So that's a good document. North American export. I love it. Left-hand drive, petrol, overdrive. It's the equipment that you want. .88-inch wheelbase. This is really a great Land Rover. Terrific.